Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn how to make this maze game, and we are going to control this ball with the help of these pink arrows, right? And if the ball touch to the black line, then the ball will go back to the starting point again, and if you touch to the finishing area, then you win this game. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright, so first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete this cat and I will go to the backdrops library, and in the backdrops library only I'll click on paint, and now I will draw a background for the maze game because there is no maze background in your backdrop library. So we have to draw a maze background first. So let's make a maze background. Alright, so the objective of this game is like whenever the ball touch to the black color, then the ball has to move to the starting point, right? So we will not use any black color in the starting point, in making starting point. And now I will just change the color to make a finishing point so that player can recognize, okay, that this is the starting point and the next color, that will be the green, is the finishing point. So I'll just select the green color here and I will make a finishing point. And in the finishing point also, you don't have to use any black color, because if you will use the black color in the finishing point, then again your ball will go back to the starting point. So make sure there's no use of black color in starting and the finishing point. So now I will go to the character library, and from the character library I'll select ball. So I will change the size of this ball because I think the size of this ball is too big for this game. So like this way you can also change the size for any character, right? Now what I will do, I will go back to the character library again and I'll select the arrow from there. Now what I want, whenever I tap on this arrow, this ball move towards the right hand side. Like whenever I press the right arrow, then this ball move towards the right hand side. So what I will do, when the sprite is clicked, I'll take the correct block from events, that is when the sprite is clicked. Now we'll broadcast the message. So again we'll take the broadcast message here, and now we'll send the message, we'll send the new message, that is go right, and then we'll click on OK. Now again, when this ball will receive this message go right, like whenever we tap on this right arrow, this right arrow will send the message to the ball, right? And whenever the ball will receive go right, then this ball will move right hand side. So we'll take change x by 10 and we'll join it like this way. Now whenever I press right arrow from the stage, this ball will move right hand side. Now the same thing will do for the left. Now I'll select the same arrow, and how we can change the direction of this thing, we'll click on costumes. Right now you can see it's in right hand side arrow. We'll click on costumes, and from the costumes we can easily change the direction for the character, right? So you can see right now it's in left hand side direction. We'll click on code and we'll do the same thing. When the sprite is clicked, right, then go left, this arrow will broadcast the message, that is go left. So like this way only we are going to make up and down arrow, right? Like we'll select the arrow from the character library, we'll change the direction of this arrow, right? And then this arrow will send the message to the ball, and then only this ball will move, right? So we'll do the same thing. We'll go to events, and when the sprite is clicked, it will broadcast the message that is go up, right? We'll click on new message here, we'll tap in the new message that is go up, click on OK, we'll click on ball again. So whenever this ball will receive go up, then this will move towards up inside. So we'll take change y by 10 to move upside. We'll take change y by 10. Now you can see this ball is moving up. Same thing we'll do for down. So now you can see that these arrows are controlling this ball, right? Whenever I press down, it's coming down and downside, right? When I pressed up, it's going upside, left for left side, and right for right side, right? So now what I will do, like I'll just move this ball to the starting point here, and I'll go to events, and I'll take the flag here. So what I want, whenever I press the flag, this ball move back to the starting point. So like this way we can easily take the starting point. First we have to put that character on the starting point, right? Then from the events we have to take that go x and y value, and like this way you can easily take the starting point. So now what I want, whenever this ball touch the black area, it has to go back to the starting point, right? Whenever it touch to the black line, so we'll take if and then, right? So again we'll take the flag here, and we'll go to controls, we'll take the forever, because we want this thing should repeat again and again whenever we play this game, right? So now we'll take forever, and now we'll take if and then, right? So the condition is if touching black color. So touching means sensing. If this ball sense the black color, right? So touching color, so how we can change the color, we have to click on the green, and to get the exact color we'll click on this dropper. Now the screen will become like this, and you have to move your arrow, that cursor, on that particular color and click on the screen. Now you can see there is exact black color, right? Now what we want, whenever this ball touched the black color, it has to go back to the starting point. So we'll take go x and y, and we'll put it inside this if and then. So let's see how this work. I'll just click the flag. Oh, I didn't click the flag, so I'll click the flag. Now see how this work. So when the flag is clicked, and whenever the ball touch to the black color, it will go back to the starting point like this, right? So you can see the ball is going back to the starting point. Now we want, like, if this ball touch to that green area, that is that finishing area, then it says you win, right? So what we will do, we'll do the same thing if touching green color. So we'll go back to the controls again, and we'll take if and then, and we'll take that if touching green color, right? If this ball sends that green color, so same thing we'll do. In the same manner we'll change the color also. Like, we'll click on this, and let me scroll it down a little bit. Okay, so now we'll change the color. We'll click on that green color, we'll click on dropper, and we'll sense the color like this way. right? Now what we will do, if touching green color, now this ball will broadcast the message that is you win. So we'll type in the new message here, like you win, and then we'll click on OK. And after that we'll put the stop all thing, so we'll click on controls here, we'll scroll it down the this thing, and we'll take the stop all and we'll put it here like this. Now what we want a new sprite for that new win thing, so we'll create a new sprite. So like this way you can create a new sprite. So our UN sprite is ready. Right now we'll do the coding here, like when the flag is clicked then we'll hide this thing, right? Because whenever the flag is clicked our game will start, so we want to hide this thing first. So when the flag is clicked, hide, and it will show then only when the ball touched to that green area. So when I receive you win, then show, like whenever the ball will touch to the green color, right, that finishing point, then it will show. So we'll take the show block and we'll put it here like this. So let's see, and let's add some sound also right, to make our game more interesting. So we'll click on the sound library here like this, and we'll take a cheer sound, obviously to win this game. So we'll take the cheer sound and we'll click on code here and we'll change it here like this. So when it receive you win and then the cheer sound will come. So you can see here also we'll add something like whenever the ball touch to the black color, right, so whenever they will go back to the starting point, some sound will be there, right, some music should be there. So we'll add music here also, and we'll change the music name. Now we'll take it like a bass. So now let's see how this game works. So let me stop this. When the flag is clicked, that thing is hide, and now you are ready to play this game. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you, and keep supporting this channel for such more tutorials, right? And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.